Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So my name is Ulkan and trading wala I am level 1 student at Rehan School Islamabad campus. So you know that we also have a new call and Maya session with so today we are come with new call and Maya session with Sara Baji. So today's topic is in take our uh, taking care of environment. So we start our conversation with Sara Baji. Hello, Sarabaji. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. How can I help you today?
Okay, Sarabaji. I have some questions on the topic of taking care of the environment. So you can answer me these questions in detail.
Yes, I can answer your questions about taking care of the environment in
Okay.
detail.
So Sarabaji. So my first question with you. What is the main cause of air pollution?
The main cause of air pollution is the burning of fossil fuels, like coal, oil, and gas, for transportation, electricity production, and industrial processes. This releases harmful chemicals into the air. Does that answer your question?
Okay. So my second question with you. Name three renewable sources of energy.
Three renewable sources of energy are solar, wind, and hydropower. Would you like to know more about any of these?
Okay, so my third question with you: how does deforestation affect the environment?
Deforestation has several negative effects on the environment, including habitat loss for wildlife, reduced carbon dioxide absorption, and increased greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to climate change. Is there anything else you'd like to know about deforestation?
Okay, Sarabaji. So my next question with you:
All right, go ahead
what
with
is
your
the
next question.
greenhouse effect?
The it Thank you.
Okay, Sarabaji. I will repeat my question. My next question with you: what is the greenhouse effect?
The greenhouse effect is when certain gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap heat, which warms the planet. This is what keeps the Earth warm enough to live on.
Okay, so my next question with you: what are the effect of plastic waste on ocean?
Plastic waste in the ocean can harm marine life through entanglement and ingestion, and it can also break down into smaller pieces called microplastics, which can further contaminate the water and the food chain. Did you have any other questions about plastic waste?
Okay, so my next question with you: define a sustainable living.
Sustainable living is practices that reduce your impact on the environment, aiming to conserve natural resources and minimize waste to protect the planet for future generations. Would you like some examples of how people can live more sustainably?
Okay, Sarabaji. So my next question with you: uh, what is the global warming?
Global warming is the ongoing increase in the Earth's average temperature, primarily caused by the greenhouse effect, which is trapping heat in the atmosphere. Does that make sense?
Okay, Sarabaji. So my next question with you: name two indirect spices in your country.
I'm not quite clear on what you mean by indirect spices. Could you explain that a little more?
Okay, so my next question with you, why is it important to plant tree?
It's important to plant trees because they help clean the air, produce oxygen, provide habitats for wildlife, and help regulate the climate. They also prevent soil erosion. Is there anything else about trees you'd like to know?
Okay, so my next question with you, uh, how does water pollution occur?
Water pollution can occur from various sources, such as industrial waste, sewage discharge, agricultural runoff, and plastic and other waste entering waterways. Would you like to know more about any of these specific sources?
Okay, so my
I
next question with you, how can you reduce your carbon footprint at home?
You can reduce your carbon footprint at home by using energy efficient appliances, turning off lights when you leave a room, reducing your water consumption, and considering renewable energy sources. Are you interested in any of those specific actions?
Okay, so my next question with you, why is recycling important?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. How can I help you today?
Okay, so my
You
next
can
question with you, uh,
you can
name three items you can recycle.
Three items that you can recycle are paper, plastic bottles, and glass bottles. Did you want some more examples? Other items that you can recycle include cardboard, aluminum cans, and various types of metal. Do you have any other questions about recycling?
Okay, so my next question with you, uh, how does using public transport help the environment?
Using public transportation can help reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions by reducing the number of cars on the road, which leads to less traffic congestion. Did you have any other questions about public transport?
Okay, so my next question with you, why should we avoid using plastic bags?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. How can I help you today? Using public transportation can help reduce air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions by reducing the number of cars on the road, which leads to less traffic congestion. Did you have any other questions about public transport?
Okay, so my next question with you, why we avoid using plastic bags?
We avoid using plastic bags because they contribute to pollution, as they don't break down easily and can cause harm to wildlife and the environment. Did you have any other questions about plastic bags?
Okay, so my next question with you, how can conversing water protect the environment?
Conserving water helps protect the environment by reducing the energy needed to pump, treat, and deliver water, which reduces greenhouse gas emissions. It also helps preserve freshwater resources and the habitats they support. Did you have any other questions about water conservation?
Okay, so my next question with you. What is a composting and why is it useful?
Composting is the process of decomposing organic matter, like food scraps and guard waste, into nutrient rich soil. It's useful because it reduces waste sent to landfills and creates a valuable soil amendment. Did you have any other questions about composting?
Okay, so my next question with you. How can planting trees in your community help the planet? Okay, Sara Baji, so my next question with you.
Okay.
How can planting trees in your community help the planet?
Planting trees can help the planet by cleaning the air, providing habitats for animals, and helping to combat climate change. They also make your community look nicer.
Okay, Sarabaji. So my next question with you: what simple step can you take to save electricity?
You can save electricity by turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging electronics when you're not using them, and using energy efficient appliances. Taking shorter showers can also help. Are there any other ways you're thinking about saving energy?
Okay, Sarabaji. So my next question with you: how does supporting eco-friendly products help the environment?
Supporting eco friendly products helps the environment by reducing waste, conserving resources, and minimizing pollution. They're usually made with sustainable materials.
Okay, Sarabaji. So my next question with you: if everyone used a single-use plastic, what would happen to the earth?
If everyone used single use plastic, plastic pollution would increase dramatically, harming ecosystems, animals, and the environment. Landfills would also fill up faster, and plastic waste would become an even bigger problem than it is now.
Okay, so my next question with you: should governments impose fines for littering? Why or why not?
That's a complex question. Imposing fines for littering can discourage people from throwing trash on the ground, which helps keep our communities clean. The fines can also be used to help pay for cleaning programs. On the other hand, some people think the fines can be unfair, especially to people with lower incomes. There are also questions about how the rules should be enforced and if other methods, such as education, would be more effective.
Okay, so my next
That
question with you: how does the climate change affect humans and animals differently?
climate change can affect humans and animals differently. Humans might face increased health risks from heat waves and changes in food supplies, while animals might find it harder to adapt to new habitats or changing weather patterns. They might also be affected by disruptions in their food sources.
Okay, so my next question with you, is it more effective to focus on individual action or government policies? Why?
It's generally most effective to focus on both individual actions and government policies. Individual actions can make a difference, but government policies can create a larger change in a bigger scale. They can also encourage individual action by setting standards and providing incentives.
Okay, Sara Baji, so my next question with you, how can schools promote environmental awareness among students?
Schools can promote environmental awareness among students by including environmental education in their curriculum, organizing green programs, and encouraging sustainable habits like recycling. They can also have guest speakers to talk about environmental issues.
Okay, Sara Baji, so my next question with you, which human activity do you think is it most harmful to nature? Explain.
It's hard to single out just one human activity that's the most harmful. Things like industrial pollution, deforestation, and generating plastic waste.
This is our colony my session with Sara Baji.
Yeah,
We meet in the next colony my session. So Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.